Okay, so here's a quick sample test. Oh, my computer fan just turned off, so you can't hear that anymore. But it's the microphone's backwards against the wall, and you have to turn the gain way up for you to be able to hear anything. So basically, all you can hear is some noise from my desk. So let me go ahead and shut this drawer, and that probably hurt. And let me shut this. Oh, that probably hurt too. Alright, so now I'm going to move these pliers around, and I'll give you a quick sound sample of each plier. Looks like the bathroom is making some noise now, so that's nice. Alright, so here's this plier. Alright, that one's for fishing, I think. And here's a needle nose plier. Alright, here's a normal pliers for like nuts and stuff. Alright, nice. And then here's a really long needle nose plier. Alright, thank you for tuning in. Now I'm going to turn this hourglass. Oh, and you can actually hear the sounds of the hourglass. I'll turn it over once again once the toilet has stopped making noise. Should be soon enough, but this hourglass makes some very nice noises. Toilet's taking quite a while to turn off. Congratulations to anyone who's made it this far in the recording. Thanks for tuning in. I can say the quality is very good, and I think it'll be even better when I have a cable, so I can actually put it close to my mouth and not have the gain turned up all the way. Alright, looks like the hourglass has stopped. Oh, and there's the toilet, so I'm going to flip the hourglass again, and you'll be able to hear that nice noise. Alright, so I think that's enough of the hourglass. I'll see you next time.